How to redeem Roblox gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your Roblox gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to redeem your Roblox gift card, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to roblox.com and you will see this type of interface where you want to make sure that you're signed into your account. Then once you're signed into the account, tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen. Then right at the bottom right above Get Premium, you'll find a button that says gift card. So you can tap on the little gift card option there. Then once you tap on gift card, you can shop for gift card, but ignoring that because we want to redeem it, tap on the redeem card option instead from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the redeem option over there, you will be able to enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code here. Then tap on the redeem option in order to redeem them. This way you'll be able to redeem your Roblox gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.